Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to remove duplicate values in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. First, let's determine if there are duplicates in the range. To highlight duplicates in color, use the conditional formatting tool. Let's select the range that needs to be checked. On the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting. In the drop-down menu, click Highlight Cells Rules, then Duplicate Values. In the window that appears, you can change the formatting settings. By default, Excel will highlight in red all values that occur more than once in the range, but we can change the fill color. So we have chosen, click OK. Excel highlighted all duplicate values with a red fill and left cells with unique data unpainted. As you can see, almost all cells are highlighted in red, but this doesn't mean that the rows with such cells are duplicated. For example, the name of the fruit may be the same, but its price or quantity are different. If you need to remove formatting, click Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, select the rule that you need to delete, and click Delete Rule and then Apply. To remove duplicates, select the range in which you want to remove duplicates, go to the Data tab and click Delete Duplicates button. In the window that appears, you need to select which columns of the Excel table will be checked. For our example, we select all columns. In our case, in order for Excel to count a row as duplicated and deleted, the row must match in all parameters: name, quantity, and price. If two fruits differ, for example, only in quantity, the algorithm will leave both. Click OK and all duplicates are deleted. As you can see, the cherry and mango rows are not unique as they have differences in the quantity column. For example, let's look at how the result will be if we don't take into account the column with the quantity of fruits. Let's open Remove Duplicate window again and uncheck the quantity column. The algorithm will perform a new analysis, which will not take this parameter into account. That is, if two fruits match in all parameters except quantity, Excel will still consider them the same and delete them. As a result, two more rows have been removed from the range. If you don't want to lose duplicate data, you cannot delete them but simply hide them. In this case, Excel will save all duplicate cells and rows, but at the same time make sure that they are not displayed on the screen. So select any cell in the table, go to the Data tab and select Advanced Filter in the Sort and Filter group. In the window that appears, we check that our range has been selected in the List Range line. Then we check the box next to the line Only Unique Records. Next, we can simply copy the filtered data to a new location, check the box Copy to another location, and select any cell in the Copy To line and click OK. The filtered data appeared in a new place. Either we don't change anything in the filter window, click OK, and the duplicate rows are hidden. To view the hidden rows, hover the mouse cursor over the bold bar between the numbers and left-click twice. Hidden rows will appear one at a time. To completely cancel the filtering, click on the Filter button again. Now we know them all. Thanks for watching.